Everyone, welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video I'm going to solve a problem from real numbers of 10th class. The question is the largest number which divides 70 and 125, leaving remainders 5 and 8 respectively. Given two numbers. Here what is specified, we have to find. Here it is given largest, means we are having HCF. H is highest common factor, right? So whenever in the question you observe the largest number, then you have to take the HCF of the given numbers. So here first let us find HCF of wait. Before finding the HCF of these two numbers, what is given? Leaving remainders 5 and 8, right? So the numbers must be less than. You have to subtract these two numbers from these two numbers so that you will get some numbers. For that numbers you have to take HCF. Okay, so here what? Let us find the exact numbers from the given. Okay, so for 70 it leaves remainder 5. Okay, that means 70 minus 5 is equals to 65. Next, for 125 it leaves remainder 8, which implies 125 minus 8, which is equals to 117. Right? Now let us find the HCF of 65 and 117. Understood why we did this? The largest number which divides 70 125, leaving remainders 5 and 8. Means whenever this largest number divides 70, it is leaving remainder 5. And if it is dividing 125, it is leaving remainder 8. So that if you subtract these reminders from the actual given numbers, given question numbers, you will get one number for both, right? So those will be the numbers which are exactly divisible by this largest number. So that's why we first subtracted the given reminders from the given numbers. We got the actual numbers which are exactly divisible by this largest number. Understood? Now let us find the HCF of 65 and 117. You can do that in the form of prime factorization. Let us do it by prime factorization. Otherwise one more method is also there, that also I will show now. Division method, that is. So now factorization for this, 5 into 13, right? 13 5 65. Next 117 means 117. 13 into 9. So from this what you can say, what will be the HCF? Here HCF of 65 and 117 is 13. Okay, or alternate method, only for this alternate method is only for this or this. What is that alternate method? Using division method, means 65 becomes the divisor and 117 becomes the dividend. Now 65 2's what you will get, 120 you will get, sorry 130 you will get. It is more, so I am taking 65 one time. 65, 7 minus 5 2, 11 minus 6 5. Now this 52 becomes the divisor and 65 becomes the dividend, right? Next 52 twos, how much you will get? 104 you will get. So it is bigger. So I am taking one time. So 52 again. 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. 13, 52. 13 fours are 52. So this is the HCF, right? This is the alternate method only for this process. This is prime factorization method. This is the division method. Which one is easy for you? That one you can follow. Right? Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section. Not only in this topic, in any topic, if you have any doubt, you can specify that question in the comment section. Okay?